Good morning students, I am your maths teacher and today I will explain you chapter 1. Now in chapter 1 we have seen big and small things like you have seen here we are 4 things like small cat, big elephant, big doll and small teddy. So here we have small cat, elephant, doll and teddy. So cat is small, elephant is big, girl is big and teddy is small. So just like this, here we have a question. Take the small things in each case. So we have 2 bags. So just like a question, take the small thing. Here we have 2 bags. So we choose which one is small. Here we have seen this one is small. This bag is small. So we take in this. Now next, here we have 2 chairs. Like one is big and other is small. So here we tick in small. Now another. You see, we have 2 apples. One is small and other is big. So as we have done, so now we have take small thing like one small apple. Now next, here we have seen 2 balls. One is big and other is small. So which one is small? Yes, this one is small. So here we take this. So after this we have to come in our next page. So now we have seen that here the things are tall and short. So we find out which one is short and which one is tall. So here you can see 4 things like short plant, tall tree, tall giraffe and short dog. So the question is, take the short thing in each case. So like here there is 2 heads. One is small and short, other is long. So as according to question, take the short thing in each case. So we have take in a short thing. So here we have this one is short. This head is short. So we take in this. Now number next. Here we have lion. So here we have lion and a cub. So which one is short and which one is tall? As we know, we have to choose short one. So here we have take in cub. Now next, here we have seen hen and horse. So which one is short? Yes, the hen is short as comparison to horse. As now another, we have to see 2 more things like one is jug and another is and the other thing is pen. One is jug, which is tall or short? Yes, the jug is tall. So we have to choose short thing. So here we have take in pen. Yes. Now after tall or short things, we have to come our next page. Here we have long or short. Long and short. Like you already seen here, long train. We have seen long train and other is short truck. Long train and short truck. Short ruler and long ruler. Short ruler and long ruler. So this is a long thing and other is a short. This is long and this is short. So we have to choose which one is long. As according to our question, take the long object in each case. What our question is? Take the long object in each case. So here we have seen two things like two pencils. One is long and other is short. So according to question, we have to take on the long object. So here we have choose long one. So we have take on the long one, long object. Okay, now next is like you have to see two things, two objects, longer aeroplane and shorter aeroplane. Then we have take on our long object. So we have to take on the long aeroplane. Okay, to come in our next page. So in our next page we have seen same and we have to find out the same things and different things. Same things and different things. So here we have same kind of pets and here we have different kinds of pets. Same kinds of pets and different kinds of pets. Same things and different things. So another example as we take, here we have same fruits like we have only bananas. We have only bananas and different fruits like we have bananas with pineapple. Bananas with pineapple. So we can find out easily which one is same and which one is different. Same fruits like bananas and different like bananas with pineapple. So here we have another question. We have question like take the different thing in each case. We have to take the different in each case. Here we have 3 balloons and 1 flower. 3 balloons and 1 flower. So here we have to choose which one is different. Which one is different? Yes, the flower is different. So we tick on the flower. Now we have to take another example. As our another example is like we have seen 3 candles and 1 diya. So which one is different? Yes, diya is different. So we can tick on this. Now another example is we have 3 candy and 1 biscuit. So you have 3 candies and 1 biscuit. So which one have you choose? Which thing is different? Yes, biscuit is different from candies. Very good. Okay, now next example is chick and hen. We have seen 3 chicks and 1 hen. So which one is different? Yes, hen is different. Now we have come on our another page. Page number 9. Before, between and after. Before, between and after. Before पहले, between बीच में and after बाद में. Okay? Before पहले, between बीच में, after बाद में. Like you have to see 3 balls. Here we have orange, blue and green. First of all, the orange ball is before the blue ball. As according to example, here we have blue ball. Yes, blue ball which is in middle, and blue ball is in middle. The green ball is after the blue ball. So, blue ball के बाद में कौन सी बॉल है? आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में. तो ब्लू बॉल के बाद में कौन सी बॉल है? यस, ग्रीन. सो द ब्लू ball is between the orange and the green balls. So the blue ball is between the orange and the green balls. Now here we have, after example, we have done our question. So our question is, circle the red which is after the cat. Circle the red which is after the cat. Yes, as we done our example, like the green ball is after the blue ball. Have you seen blue ball and green ball? So blue ball green ball के बीच में है और blue ball के बाद में green ball है. Just like this we had done our question. Circle the red which is after the cat. हमें सर्कल करना है जो कैट के बाद में है, जो कैट के बाद में है रेड. तो we have circle in this. We have to circle in this which is after the cat. Which red is after the cat? This one. So we have to circle on this. Now we have another example. Another is, cross the animal which is before the dog. Cross the animal which is before the dog. So dog is in the middle and we have circle which is before the dog. So yes, here we can see horse. So we have circle on this. We have circle on the thing which is before the dog. So here we have horse. Now next is, circle the animal which is between the lions. Circle the animal which is between the lions. हमें circle किस पे करना है? जो lion के बीच में है. So lion के बीच में क्या है? कौन सा एनिमल है? Yeah, giraffe. So we have to circle on giraffe. Okay.